Hello, my name is Prosper Uingeri, and I'm the Chief Park Warden of the Volcanoes National Park.
And you know that this year is designated by the United Nations the Year of the Gorilla. What do you think that's going to do to help your work?
Well, I mean, I know this year was devoted to the gorilla by the international community, and I think this is very, very important because the gorillas, they live, for example, the mountain gorillas, they live only in this habitat, small habitat between Uganda, Rwanda, and Congo. We are doing great things. People are coming to see them. They are very, very excited. But on the other hand, these gorillas are in the middle of, people's settlement, villages, and really we need people to know that these are gorillas. Yes, these gorillas are special, but they are also facing some more serious threat, basically coming from the human disturbance. So we always want to, the people, the international community, and everybody around the world to, to know what is happening and what needs to be done by, by people, by individuals, by government, but by the United Nations to support the conservation of these mountain gorillas.
Fantastic, thank you. And a final thought: the person in front of their computer who's listening to you now, what would you like to say to him?
I mean, I would like to thank him very much because, of course, he's the ambassador, UN ambassador for the gorilla.
No. Sorry. I mean, someone in America or in Japan or somewhere is watching you on their computer. What would you like to say to that person, not to me?
Oh, great. So, I mean, I would like to tell everybody to come to visit these mountain gorillas. It's a lifetime experience. Actually, once you see them, you see how they are special, but you also come to realize how they need your support. So it's very, very important that, you come to see them or, and you tell your friends, your family to come to see them. So you're welcome. Thank you very much.
Thank you.